ready? Today we will be learning something about the pairs which have to come in combination. For example, skirts go in combination with blouses, jeans go in combination with shirts, so on and so forth. And it's not that every time we will have equal number of shirts and jeans, blouses and skirts, and hence we have to go on changing the combination, isn't it? That is what we do in our everyday life. So today we are going to deal with how many kinds of combinations we can have with existing variety of clothes with us. I have one red skirt and one green skirt. I have also got one white blouse, one yellow blouse and one black blouse. How many combinations are possible? Now please remember that here I have got two skirts and three blouses of different color. So red skirt we will represent by RS is equal to red skirt. Green skirt we will represent by GS is equal to green skirt. And blouses, white blouse we will represent by WB, that is white blouse. One yellow blouse we will be representing it with YB, that is yellow blouse, and one black blouse. So BB will represent black blouse. Right? Once this is clear to us, no? The next steps are very easy. But first of all, we will have to know whether we have to solve the sum stepwise, and it all depends on the marks. If there are 2 to 3 marks given up to this one, then we have to give all the steps. If only fill in the gap type of question is asked on this, then of course no steps are required and you are supposed to come directly on the answer. So first of all, let us proceed stepwise, right? So here we go. Now the upper side let us represent by the number of blouses. So WB here, that is white blouse, then yellow blouse, YB, and black blouse, BB. Now on this side, we will be representing skirts, RS, that is red skirt, and GS, that is green skirt. Now let us form this table. Now the lowermost part is not required because we have already filled up all the terminology, and hence we will wipe off this part. Now we will see what type of combination is possible. We can have this combination. With white blouse, I can have red skirt. We can have this plus this combination. Yellow blouse and red skirt. We can have this and this combination. That is black blouse with red skirt. Then we come on the lower part. We can have this combination. White blouse, green skirt. We can have this and this combination. Yellow blouse and green skirt. And we can have this and this combination. That is black blouse and green skirt combination. So here you will find that no combination is repeated. All 6 days, all 6 working days of the week, I can have different combination. So here, the total number of combination without repetition becomes 6. And this is our answer after giving this table. But the same answer we can obtain in a jiffy, means in 1 second. There are 3 blouses, 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 2 types of skirts. 2 also gives us 6. And hence, when filling the gaps types of questions are asked, you can directly write like this. 6 is the answer. In other words, Nani, the same thing we can give in this fashion. 3 means number in one set of blouses multiplied by 2, that is number in another set of skirts, and we can have them in different combinations and the combinations will be 6. But just because combination word has come in this type of a sum, that doesn't mean that all the examples in which combinations word is asked or given will not come in multiplication. Let us take one example here. My brother has 1 black and 1 green jeans and certain number of shirts. If he can wear them in 12 combinations, what is the number of shirts with him? Try to understand. They have given us that my brother has got 1 black and 1 green jean. That means 2 jeans are present, right? Multiplied by certain number of shirts. We don't know what number is this. We have to find out. So here we have to find out the number of shirts. And they have given us the number of combination total 12. So when the data given is like this, means they have given us the combination number. But one set, in one particular set, how many numbers of shirts are there? We don't know. Then what we have to do? Multiply. Means here it is multiplication. Then we will have to take it as division sum. So 12 being the bigger number comes in the center, divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12. That means here the unknown number of shirts now has become known to us, that is 6. So honey, have you understood now that combination types of sums can be of multiplication as well as of division? You have to be very alert here. Yes, Nani. Thank you, Nani.